invention?
This Rube Goldberg invention was made by me and my partner Cole. I will describe the parts to you while Cole videotapes. So first off, we have our screw, which is needed, and it's twisted into wood with string around it. And our second one that is needed is a pulley. And then we have a wheel and axle on this car. And then right here we have a Class 2 lever, followed by an inclined plane, many of them around the project. Over here we have more inclined planes, and right here we have a hydraulics system made with a syringe and water. And then last but not least, we have a wedge with the egg underneath it. This is a wedge made out of wood, and the egg is placed underneath it, so the tip is placed on top of underneath the egg. So that's what the main parts are that are needed for this invention. Now I will show you what is supposed to happen. So this screw is in a block of wood, and I will turn it with this, and I will wind the screw into the wood, which will pull the string around the screw, which will pull, using a pulley, it will pull the pencil up, which will release the axle and wheel car down the ramp or inclined plane to hit over the Class 2 lever, that has a ball inside, a little marble ball, that will knock down the inclined plane. On this inclined plane, it will swerve down onto the tape measure, but before it goes down, it will knock over this domino, which will knock over these as it splits. And right here, this domino will knock over this marble. Down here, slide down this inclined plane, down this tube into the book spine, and will knock over that toilet paper roll, which will roll out. And this dominoes will knock over this golf ball, which will fall into that cup and push down that syringe, and the water will squirt out onto the toilet paper target. And then while that's all happening, the first marble, this one, after it knocks down that, will slide down here, this inclined plane, and it will bump into this golf ball, which will fall off the counter and collide with the wooden wedge, which will apply force onto it and will put enough pressure on to crack the egg, hopefully. And that's what will happen if all goes right. So now we will test me and Cole's Rube Goldberg experiment. So as you can see, the egg is totally cracked. The egg is totally cracked. The wedge did its job perfectly. The toilet paper unwrapped perfectly. And as you can see, there's a water stain on my hydraulic system target, which means that the golf ball put enough pressure on the top of the syringe to exert the water that is contained in the syringe. So the machine worked out perfectly.